the story of a really slimy worm. Boom, boom, boom. And a really squirmy worm. It's actually a snake, guys. Don't worry. Dun. And you can squish together. Squish together. And do that. Remember these guys? I'm just kidding. Okay, and then the little nothing just happened. Remember, I showed you my swans. It makes sound too, makes legs. Yeah, I mixed, no, that's not it. All these colors to make this one. Then I made another one. Then eat again. Okay, so got this one. I got my squirmy slime worm. Shine up. I got my grape one, which is a purple one. I got a blue tiger, and it has a little bit of pink in it, but I don't know why. I have my purple tiger. I have my pink tiger. And then I have the slimes that I made them with. Remember that if you watched my video. I also have this one. Oh, it's so squishy, I'm gonna die. Love heart, love heart, love heart. I also have this one. So stretchy. Ah! I let go of it. So stretchy. I keep on letting go of it. Okay, well, I'm putting it back. It's so slippery though. And I also have a black swan. Black swan. To make this one, and this one, and this one. Oh, guys, I don't have, because there's like little squares. I can't really tell it off. Like, I need help. Just get slime. Works. Do that. Compose. So there's a snow machine. I'm stretching it so I can't see it. So. Oh yeah. So there's a fishy, a snowflake. There's BATC. There's ABC. There's a window and there's a house. And there's a recycling thing. What? But I took all these out. It's in my skin. Oh, Shiza tarts. Okay. Scooch that out of the way. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some containers. These containers, they're two-sided. I'm not using them. So I'm gonna put them in there. My mom said I was gonna use them for packed lunch, but I never use them. Never use them. I hope they don't mix in together. Forever. Really hope they don't. Okay. I'm risking it, guys. Putting two in. I hope they don't stick together. These, and then these. Yeah, just that. I'm too big as a ball. So we'll do this. You know, it doesn't go. Hey, I'm just gonna have a two-step. Apparently. Other stick. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. There.